So today we're going to go ahead and we're going to talk about improper fractions and changing them into mixed numbers. Okay, so first we want to go ahead and review what is an improper fraction. Improper fraction is when I have a big number on top and I have a smaller number on the bottom. Okay, it's improper because this is the numerator a lot bigger than our denominator. The denominator has a hard time holding that numerator up because it's so much heavier. So what we're going to do is we're going to make it into a mixed number. We're going to make it into a whole number plus a fraction. Okay, so look at it as, hey, this 7 has a hard time holding up this 12. So to make it easier, we're going to turn this into a mixed number. How we do that? Very easy. If you can go ahead and do long division, this process should be very simple. Okay, so I'm going to take my numerator and I'm going to divide it by the denominator. Okay, our top number goes in the cage, the numerator goes in the cage, the denominator goes outside the cage. 7 goes into 12 one time. 1 times 7 is 7. 12 minus 7 gives me 5. So now I have a remainder of 5. I have all the information now that I need in order to make my mixed number. My quotient, my full quotient, my 1, is now my whole number. My 5 is my new numerator. And the 7 stays my denominator. Improper fraction changed into a mixed number. I'll do another example for you to try. So you can go ahead and pause once I give you the example. 32 tenths. 32 tenths. Go ahead and hit pause, and then change that improper into a mixed number. Okay, good. Hopefully you went ahead, you went ahead and changed this into a mixed number. Remember, to do that, we're going to go ahead and take the numerator and divide it by the denominator. 32 goes in the cage. 10 goes outside the cage. 10 goes into 32 3 times. 3 times 10 gives me 30. I have 2 left over, so my remainder is 2. I now have my whole number, and I have my numerator, and then my denominator stays the same. Now, in this case, I have a situation where I can go ahead and simplify the 2 tenths. Okay, if you forgot about simplifying, you can go back to one of our videos, and we talk about simplifying fractions. So now I have my mixed number, but I can go ahead and simplify this fraction. My common factor between 2 and 10 is 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll divide my numerator and denominator by 2. And I get 1/5. So now I have a new mixed number, 3 and 1/5. Okay. So that's always a step that might occur for you, where you get your mixed number and you still have to go ahead and simplify this fraction. Okay, if you do, go ahead and find the greatest common factor, divide both numerator and denominator by the greatest common factor. You have your new fraction, and you just keep that whole number the same. Okay, good luck and happy math.